Hello and welcome to Erika Cold Cooking. In today's video, we're making a southern baked macaroni and cheese. If you checked out my other macaroni and cheese videos, this one's slightly different. We're gonna be using more cheeses, bringing more flavor. So let me show you. Okay, so here are cheeses. This is Italian cheese blend. This is sharp cheddar, and this is 4 State Cheddar, regular 2% milk, and we have half and half. And then I have 1 egg right here, 2 tablespoons of butter for the noodles, and we have a half a stick of butter we're going to use for our roux for the cheese sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and move this out the way because I'm going to go ahead and use half a block of the Gouda cheese. Okay, so I'm not going to need that much because I'm going to have all these other cheeses, but I just want it in there. Okay, in our noodle pot, we're going to go ahead and add in our egg. Adding unsalted butter. Probably about a half a teaspoon of salt. Maybe not even that much. You should taste it after you make your roux. Your cheese sauce. Once your cheese sauce is in there, you can taste it and see how much you want to add. Right now, I'm just adding in pepper. I like a lot of pepper in mine, so you go how, you know, what you like. Okay, now we're just going to, I'm going to add like a splash of sugar just because it balances that out. So it's not like salty or anything. So it's just going to be like a little pinch of sugar. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. For our cheese sauce, we're going to add in a half a stick of butter. So we're making the roux now. So we need butter and flour. Okay, now we're just going to add in some flour. Okay, so I added in the regular 2% milk, and I'm just whisking that. Add a little bit at a time, and then you want to mix it in so that you can get those clumps out of there. If you pour it all in at one time, it's going to be a disaster. I'm just telling you right now. So you want to make sure you mix all the flour up with the milk really good before you add, you know, just add some at a time and mix it. So if you want, start off with my measurements. The measurements are in the description box. And then if you want your sauce thicker or, you know, lighter, you can add more milk or less milk, however you want to do it. But I like my sauce thinned out. I don't like it really, really thick. Like a nice texture. Some cheese. I have added most of my milk in. So I'm just going to add some salt to this because we're basically done with the cheese sauce. We just need to add some flavor. So I got some salt, and I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper to this too. And make sure you taste it before you go ahead and start putting your macaroni together. You want to make sure you taste it and see how you like it. If you added too much salt, you can always add a few sprinkles of sugar, just a pinch of sugar, and it'll like even it out until it's where you want it to be. Okay, you want to take and pour the cheese sauce into those noodles. Just gonna mix that up. Take some sharp cheddar. You're gonna take some of your forged state cheese, some of your Italian blend, and some Gouda. I'm gonna put all of them in there right now, but we're gonna poke those through. Get the rest of your macaroni. Put that right on top. Go ahead and spread that evenly around. Okay, then we're going to take the rest of our cheese. We're just going to sprinkle it all over the top. This is gonna be so good, y'all. So you spread all your cheese around, and this is what it looks like when you're done. Okay, we're gonna take some more sharp cheddar cheese, like about 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna lay it over the top of the macaroni. I'll put that on the top there. Fill in all the white spots. We're gonna put this in the oven on 400 degrees. Okay, so I let the cheese melt for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna put it right back in the oven uncovered. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how good this looks. Like, if you really wanna be the talk of the dinner, you know, good talk of the dinner, you want to bring this, because this is going to have everyone talking. I'm sure there's not going to be any left. This is so good. You got all those cheeses. It's just so creamy. It's just so cheesy. It's delicious. And don't say I didn't show you. Make sure you share this one with your peeps, because I know they love good food. Subscribe if you're new, and hit the notifications bell so you know when I post. Subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up. So if you really enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on all my social media. That's Erika Cold Cooking on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. I thank you guys for watching. I heart food, and I heart you. Until the next one.